In the heart of the Silent City, one of Malta's greatest cultural treasures, the Mdina Cathedral Museum, a place where history, art, and faith converge, telling the story of a nation through centuries of artistic and religious devotion. The Mdina Cathedral Museum is housed within a magnificent Baroque palace, originally built as a seminary in the 18th century. It stands adjacent to St. Paul's Cathedral. A site steeped in history, believed to mark the spot where the Apostle Paul converted the Roman governor Publius to Christianity in 60 AD. Following a devastating earthquake in 1693, the old cathedral was rebuilt by the renowned architect Lorenzo Gafà. Today, its museum serves as a gateway to the artistic and spiritual heritage of Malta, preserving relics and artworks that span centuries. Step inside and you will find a rich collection of sacred art, rare manuscripts, and historical artifacts. From biblical narratives to depictions of Malta's patron saints, these masterpieces reflect the island's deep spiritual and artistic roots. Beyond its artifacts and artworks, the Mdina Cathedral Museum offers a journey through time, a testament to faith, resilience, and artistic brilliance. Whether you are a historian, an art enthusiast, or a curious traveler, this hidden gem in Malta's ancient capital invites you to step into the past and witness history unfold. Art lovers will be captivated by the museum's collection of paintings, including works by renowned Baroque artist Mattia Preti, who left an indelible mark on Maltese artistic heritage. Among its greatest treasures are the original woodcut prints of Albrecht Dürer, showcasing the mastery of Renaissance engraving. These intricate prints, created by one of history's most influential artists, bring biblical stories to life with remarkable precision and depth. But the treasures of the museum extend delicate silverware, ornate reliquaries, some dating back centuries, reveal the devotion and craftsmanship that defined Malta's religious traditions. Coins and medals from different eras trace Malta's complex history. Come, explore, and be inspired by the legacy preserved within these walls. Subscribe to Elise's Wanderlust to explore more hidden gems and iconic wonders around the world.